Hello, I'm Carla, your Millionaire Mistress, and welcome back to my channel. The whole concept of buy now, pay later is instead of you just saying, hey, I want this top from Amazon or wherever you buy your stuff from, you can select to pay with Klarna or an equivalent buy now, pay later lender. Klarna is a lender. It is a loan company who is saying, I will give you money. They're like, hey, I'm so friendly. I'm making it really easy for you to have what you want when you want it. It's completely mindless. And that's the point. The Klarna and the other micro lenders marketing teams have made you think that this is just normal behavior. I care about you understanding how much money you spend, how much you've got available to spend, where else extra money is coming from, and how you use your credit score to get other money and use other people's money to purchase income generating assets. Let's look at why Klarna will affect your credit score. Hopefully, anyone that's 18 or over, even if you're 16 or over, you'll understand that all of the lenders send your financial information. So your performance, what transactions you make, do you make a payment on time? Are you typically late? And this file, which is your individual credit file, is typically passed to 3 credit reference agencies in the UK. So that will be Experian, Equifax and TransUnion. Since 2022, when Klarna started offering you those micro loans, through places like Deliveroo, Klarna has been reporting your financial transactions and repayments to Experian and TransUnion. This means that retailers will see when you use these buy now, pay later deals, whenever they check your credit report. And your credit report can be checked when you're trying to get a new mobile phone contract, or if you want to buy a new car, or it could be you buying a house. So just think about that. If you want to buy a house, and when you have to go and fill in your budget planner, which you will have to do for the mortgage advisor or mortgage broker, that budget planner will include all these tiny microloans. And that's when everyone can really see your approach to spending money. And if you don't declare them, that's okay. The banks will see them anyway because they're all on your credit file, which generates your credit score. So A, they'll know if you've misrepresented your budget planner, which is fraud in financial terms, and B, they will all know that you can't manage your money on a daily basis or monthly basis because you're having to borrow micro payments. So can you see in terms of behavior how the banks, although they love lending to you money on the interest side, they don't like lending to you if they can see you earn your income, you take away your costs, and actually you have a deficit, so a shortfall every month because you need to borrow these tiny micro loans, which quite frankly are just the same as like getting 30 quid off your mum, which if you're an adult, you shouldn't have to do, just so you know. So the good news is if you borrow money from Klarna and if you make repayments in full and on time every single transaction, they wouldn't necessarily have a negative impact on your credit score. But all it takes is one slip up for your credit file to be impacted negatively by Klarna and these other micro loan lenders. And any damage to your score will be visible to other credit suppliers for 6 years. So that one burger, you could absent-mindedly overspend and the Klarna payment wouldn't be taken from your debit card or your bank. And then you can be penalised for a missed repayment on a burger 6 years later. I mean, that's just horrific to me. I think I'll pause there for now. So you can see my view is microloan payments are not an ideal way for you to get through the month. Microloans are not the way to manage your home budgets. They are also not the way to build long-term wealth. Please feel free to comment, like and share. Thank you very much. Have a good day.